Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, a true Jamaican here in Barbados, exploring, looking at people, culture and everything. Guys, I want to thank you for being a part of this program. Remember to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I want to thank you for always coming back to watching my videos. Today guys, this video is going to be a very interesting one. Stay tuned. People from all over the world. And I am here with Russell Manning, and Russell is doing some wonderful work here guys. I want to do a quick introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Russell, and I started this craft 2 years ago during the first lockdown. I began making planters for my family, and then I realized a lot more of the things that can be made from round barrels. So let's check it out, and I'd like to show you my craft.
Okay, all right. So I see you have here
a wine rack. Yeah.
Wine rack.
Yeah.
How did you go about the process of making this?
Well, it's a half barrel cut, and then I removed the front section and then fitted circular shelves to follow the contour of the barrel.
Oh.
And above here,
yes,
I cut out slots which will cater for wine glasses to hang.
Yes.
And then these separations here for bottles to lay.
Yeah, so easy access to your wine glass and your wine.
Yes. You can also store down here as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, this is wonderful. What has really inspired you to be this creative?
That's a good question. I really am not. I am surprised at the way things have gone, but I do research online and I get inspiration from various websites and places who do this craft overseas.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to bring it here and introduce something new to my country.
Okay, and this is wonderful. So what activities you're doing now? You're painting?
Yes, right now I'm just adding some finishing touches to this pair.
Yes.
This is an order, custom order by one of my customers, and it's a silver band with white.
Yes.
And I'm just touching up right now before it is ready for delivery next week.
Okay, how do you come up with the type of paint that you need? Is it that the customers can make a decision as to what color they want?
Yes, everything is made to the customer's preference. So that's how we do it, and yeah.
Okay, what else is it that you do? Because this is very interesting. I love the concept, the idea. It's great, it's awesome. It's a lovely rack. Like hotels, who are some of your people that you supply, or who should reach out to get this unique?
Right. Mainly I do this work for a lot of homeowners and some businesses as well.
Okay.
My strongest thing has been word of mouth. So majority of the times when people see the work, it's all referred, and that's how it spreads.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what else do you do? Because if you're this creative, that means that you have more in store.
Yes, yes. Well, apart from this, planters, we make bar stools, tables, all different types of decor items that can be attached to the wall, hanging from the ceiling. We're now looking to expand into light fixtures. So we look forward to getting into more products and introducing them. Okay,
wonderful. Okay, so this is a bar stool.
So here's the bar stool made from the barrel staves, threaded rod for extra stability.
Yes.
And we resize the metal ring of the barrel to fit on the inside, so everything is secure.
So these, if they want it to be painted as well, you would give it that structure?
Yes, we can paint them in any color to match with the decors that it will be in.
Okay, yeah. All right, so, and this is another.
So this is a new style that we managed to figure out a way to attach a seat back to the bar stool.
Yeah, I love this one.
So this is all made from the barrel. This is the metal rings from the barrel.
Yes.
And it's very comfortable.
Okay.
Sure.
Yes, very comfortable. Okay guys, I'm going to try and be seated. Oh yeah, this is so comforting. I'm relaxed and you know, I can have a drink. Let me have your wine glass. Yeah, so if I'm in the bar, actually guys, I will be able to access my drink. Yes, and then oh yes, it's wonderful. Yeah man, thank you, great service. So it's beautiful. I love it. It's comforting and it's awesome. So this is very creative with the idea that you came up with.
Thank you.
All right, so
chairs, getting 2 chairs from one barrel. It's all an even cut. I don't know if you could say it so, but
okay. So all these barrels that you have here, they're going to be chairs.
yes, this set right here, I'm making 12 chairs.
Yes.
So 6 barrels gives me 12 chairs, 2 from one
Do
barrel.
you have any sample of the chairs?
Yes.
Could I look at the chair? Because by looking at the way how you're cut the barrels, I'm assuming that the chairs are comfortable.
Very comfortable. Very spacious. We also upholster the seat bottom as well.
Yes.
So you can have upholstery in any color to match with the decor.
Where best would they seat the chairs in the home, or where?
The chairs are fit for indoors, outdoors. They are weather resistant. We use finishes that will withstand the elements, so they can be outside, inside, anywhere that you prefer.
And they are durable,
Very durable.
long lasting.
Very long lasting. Round barrels are made from oak. Oak is a hardwood, and that is very durable and long lasting.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Do you ship overseas, like if people want to order to get it, or you're not only within the country?
Not at the moment. We're just locally, but we plan to be shipping and sending various smaller items overseas.
Yes.
And and also smaller items that people can travel with.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Yeah, little key rings that I would burn.
Oh. So look at this, guys. So he's also doing some key rings where you can attach your name, get it custom made. This is beautiful. Or you get a letter of your name. This is a letter of my name, T, which stands for Tania.
That's for you.
Oh, thank you. So this is not mine, guys, and I definitely got it in Barbados. All right, but it's a wonderful thing. What inspired you now to do small ornaments and be able to produce the key rings and so on?
Well, right now we have someone, we're working on these smaller items, because when we first started everything was a lot bigger. We made bigger items, but now we decided, well, you know, you can make smaller items so anyone can easily have to travel with.
Yes.
Easily travel and take back a piece of a local round barrel with their initials on it.
Okay.
We use a tool, a wood burning tool that engraves the letters into the wood.
Yes.
So it's wood burnt.
Oh. Okay. This is interesting. Look at this one, guys. Barbados, the gem of the Caribbean. And I'm telling you that this is talent. This is high talent being showcased in here. What inspired you to do this one?
This one was, I saw the concept online and I just experimented.
Yes.
And
This
came out really well.
This is beautiful. and for the Christmas season, you know, that came in and about. And this mirror was done too?
Yes, the mirror is done with the outside ring of the barrel and a rope on the inside.
Yeah, this is beautiful. This is talent, guys. I really appreciate the talent I'm seeing here and the hard work. Now, how do they contact you in case people are interested and want to, you know, purchase and be a part of this wonderful thing that you have going here?
Okay, well, I have a page on Instagram. It's called Barrel Decor Barbados, and on the page you can see a wide variety of the products that we have to offer.
Oh, Barrel Decor Barbados.
Barrel Decor Barbados.
Okay. So guys, I am very proud of the experience that I am getting here in Barbados, because it is just showing that talent is everywhere, and I am so happy to highlight this wonderful talent that I have found here in Barbados. Guys, your wine rack is here waiting for you, so get one today in your home, your hotel, anywhere you want. But I truly appreciate everything. The keyring with the first letter of my name, Tania, true Jamaican here in Barbados. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Lick more. Bye. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of